Hey guys, so today I've got a tasty treat and I'm super excited to show y'all. So something very important, something came in the mail today. My trombone! Yeah! It's here! So I'm going to unbox it for you guys and play a little bit for you. First off, I want to give a fat shout out to people who came to my graduation party because this trombone was pretty much bought with only graduation money, which was kind of a blessing and a surprise. So I found it at the Trombone Marketplace as a Facebook group. And then, so the trombone itself is a King 3B, and it's basically built specifically for jazz. It's a .508 bore, and it's super fun to play on. So here next we can enjoy some music that I'm going to play. This is the first time playing it.